cost and enhances the engine performance. This is an image of hypoid gearbox. It used extensively in the automotive industry. With the addition of WAGNER micro-ceramic nano glide compounds, we notice the difference. As we can see, under extreme pressure, the metal surfaces are in close proximity with each other, thereby increasing the friction, which in turn increase the energy loss and the fuel consumption. WAGNER micro-ceramic nano glide compound contain billions of nano-sized ceramic spheres, which greatly enhance the lubrication capacity of standard engine oils. The ceramic particles act as nano bearings, reducing friction and allowing smooth metal surfaces to freely glide over one another. This reduced friction lowers the temperature and extends the service lifespan. Under extreme conditions, the nanoparticles exfoliate and forms a high-strength lubrication film. This reduces engine noise, as the components are running smoother. These are some of the test results of WAGNER micro-ceramic nano glide compounds. HSU is Heart Ridge Smoke Unit, which is used to control vehicular pollution. It is a unit of estimation to evaluate the capacity of exhaust gases. Whereas K value is a smoke opacity factor, we see that with the addition of 5% of WAGNER micro-ceramic nano glide compounds to the gear oil, there has been a 75% reduction in HSU and K value. Hence we notice that there is a significant reduction in emissions, which indicates proper burning of fuel, resulting in increased mileage. This shows the frictional torque, which was generated with and without usage of WAGNER micro-ceramic nano glide compounds, on 15W40 diesel engine oil. The high peaks in the graph indicate an unstable film, which was formed without the use of WAGNER micro-ceramic nano glide compounds. This shows a very high surface interaction taking place between the metal surfaces, resulting in the formation of deep grooves. Whereas with the addition of micro-ceramic nano glide compounds, the frictional torque was much less, and the wear scars were 44% less found, resulting in the formation for a stable lubricant film. This is a customer feedback for a vehicle as shown. We notice that, with use of WAGNER micro-ceramic nano glide compounds to the engine oil, there was increase in mileage, which led to considerable amount of savings. The customer reported the engine became smoother than before. A feedback for the same was shared. At WAGNER High Quality Lubricants, we will always prioritize the best for your cars and two-wheelers. Happy driving!